Y? Negative. Y is also negative. R? Always positive. Always positive. R. Then, looking at the three trig ratios, sign of an angle is opposite. Opposite to Y. Y is negative. Over positive. Y over R. Opposite over hypotenuse. Which is, sine is negative. What about to cos? Cos A adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent is x. The sine of x, negative. So it's negative over positive, which gives us a negative quotient. Therefore, we find that cos is also negative on the second quadrant. What about tan? Tan, it is opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent is negative over negative, which gives us positive. We find that tan is positive in the third quadrant. Moving to the fourth quadrant, we have x. What is the sign of x? Positive. X is positive. What about y? Negative. Y is negative. What about r, the hypotenuse side? Always positive. Always positive. Right? Let's go to trig ratios. The first one, sine. Sine, opposite. Opposite, which is y. Negative over r. R, which is positive. Negative divided by positive? Negative. Sine is negative. What about cos? Cos, adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent, x over both positive. We find that cos is positive. And there's something we didn't notice on the first quadrant. All these three trig ratios are positive. Why? Because x, y, and r are positive. So this is why we have A for all three trig ratios. And on the second quadrant, we have sine, which is only positive. And you can have S here on the second quadrant, we have tan here, we have cos here. Then we come up with the cast rule. The cast rule. Cast rule, fourth quadrant, cos only. First quadrant, all three trig ratios. Second quadrant, sine is positive, and tan on the third quadrant is only positive. So that's where the cast rule comes from. Then we can also call it all stupid teachers.